going on? It's Steve. I hope you're doing just fantastic. So this is a 3-minute beginner guitar lesson for Rush, the Trees. You know, I don't even know how I'm going to get it done in 180 seconds, and I don't even know math. So let's just get right to it. I have no capo on, and I start with an F major. F major. Then you go to G major. This is that rockin' part. I'm sort of skipping some of, the more intricate parts since this is a beginner lesson. G major. And then those do this driving down beat. Ready? A 16 like that. So 16 downstrokes. And then you explode it into this A. A major to B minor is G, D, A, and you do it again, get this kind of rhythm. G, D, and does it a couple times, and then it goes, but they F sharp major this time. And then, or I guess that's what we started the song with. But they wonder why they can't be happy G with their shade, A major, A major. If you want to get tricky, this is advanced. You take your A major and you do this walk down. So you use your A major, you put the third finger on the third fret of the E string, and then you take your thumb and put it on the second fret, and then open. But that's pretty advanced, just practice that. And now here's the crazy chords. We're going to go faster. This D major, there's D major, unrest, through the F sharp minor, and now we're going to go to C sharp minor. There is trouble with the A major. Now you could do it up here, but we'll play it right there. And then you go to E, E major, G major, D major, and then B minor, B minor like that. That's an A major, E major, G, D, B minor. All right, that is crazy fast. Those are a lot of chords. It's actually not that hard of a song to play if you don't do a bunch of, solos and crazy notes everywhere. If you just focus on the chords, you can drive it through, memorize it, and it's a great way to practice going through some harder stuff besides the normal, easier chords. All right, I hope it was helpful. If it was, hit like and subscribe and share, and I'll catch you next time for another 3-minute guitar lesson with Steve. See ya.